As the world grapples with the escalating impact of climate change, the need for sustainable solutions has never been more urgent. Rising temperatures, shifting weather patterns, and increasing carbon dioxide levels threaten our planet's future.
Imagine a world where energy and nature are not at odds, but in harmony.
At the forefront of combating these global issues is KenGen, East Africa's largest green energy producer, producing 60% of all the energy in Kenya and powering 130 billion light bulbs in the country every hour. KenGen has over 1,600 megawatts of installed renewable energy capacity, enough to power millions of homes, with 826 megawatts in hydropower, 976 megawatts in geothermal power, and 26 megawatts in wind power.
Kenya has a geothermal potential of more than 10,000 megawatts. We have only harnessed about 1,000 megawatts.
Between 1985 and today, here at Olkaria, we have an installed capacity.
It took 23 years to actually hack how geothermal wells and geothermal systems are, where we got in 1973 a self-discharging well.
Some of the technologies that have come up over the time, we have the rig sense that is giving us the real-time data to the supervisor and the driller, and will advise the processes to be taken and actions to be taken.
We have state-of-the-art equipment that are able to image in the order of kilometers, up to about 40, 50 kilometers deep into Earth's subsurface.
The power we generate here is per the grid code. We generate power of the right frequency, right voltage and current, such that the end user at the factory or even at home, the equipment that utilizes this power is within the set parameters.
By tapping into geothermal, wind and hydropower, KenGen is cutting carbon emissions and ensuring affordable, clean energy for all, driving the nation's commitment to the UN's climate goals.
KenGen has a lot of hydropower generation in eastern region, Upper Tana and Lower Tana, but we are also looking at other regions in this country. From our strategy that is looking at the next 10 years, we are actually not going to put any power plant that is not green.
The desire to set up the Green Energy Park is to promote stable power that is available 24/7.
Alongside its green energy efforts, KenGen is actively engaged in community development in alignment with the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Through the KenGen Foundation, the company has partnered with local organizations to conserve biodiversity, increase environmental awareness, and improve access to education for thousands of children across the country.
For the communities, we offer water points whereby they get their water for their domestic use and also for their animals. And we also offer seedlings so that they can plant the trees around the schools.
We also do some scholarship provision to the children of the communities. And even besides giving them scholarships, those ones who are successful, when job opportunities arise, we actually give those communities around where we work.
We do what we call environmental awareness in conjunction even with the Ministry of Interior, whereby when they have barasas, we come together and impart the knowledge on environmental conservation.
We work together with the communities. We have serious engagements that we carry out with them so that we walk the journey together. Our focus and our main interest is in the geothermal. What an opportunity to be able to have industries run their operations using 100% green energy. This green energy park is a trailblazer in this region.
Welcome to the KenGen Green Energy Park, where innovation meets sustainability. Spanning over 4,500 acres of pristine land, KenGen Green Energy Park is a masterclass of eco-friendly design and cutting-edge technology. Here, the latest advancement in geothermal comes together to create a thriving ecosystem that's efficient and sustainable. We are onboarding partners who believe in this ideology and doing business responsibly while preserving our planet. The Green Energy Park is powered by 100% geothermal power, an initiative that opens the possibility of going beyond achieving the zero carbon emissions mark to achieving what we call climate positivity and making that a reality. You cannot afford to be left out.